Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to tint app icons to match your iPhone case color. With iOS 26, Apple has introduced a new home screen customization feature that allows your app icons to match the color of your iPhone's case. It's worth pointing out that iOS 26 uses the base color of your iPhone's case and automatically adjusts brightness, saturation, and contrast so your icons remain readable while reflecting the case tone. That's it, let's get started. So first you have to long press on an empty area on the home screen. Then you have to hit the edit button located at the top left corner of the screen. After that you have to choose the customize option in the drop down menu. Then you have to choose the tinted option from the customization panel. And then you have to choose the iPhone case button, second from the left under the two horizontal color sliders. And then you have to choose light, dark, auto option based on your preference, and that's about it. It's worth pointing out that tinted mode in iOS 26 looks a bit different from iOS 18. Instead of icons with black backgrounds and colored graphics, icons now display the full selected color with white graphics in the light mode. In the dark mode, backgrounds are a darker shade of the chosen color rather than pure black, creating a subtle, elegant effect. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily tint app icons to match your iPhone's case color in iOS 26 or later. Now that you have unlocked this pretty cool feature, make the most of it to give a personal touch to your iPhone, and I'll catch you up in the next one with more such cool iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, have a great time. Bye-bye.